Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting product today. I found this on Amazon and I found that recently Mivi went on some very interesting sales online. So I thought let's buy their recently announced on sale the Roam 2 speaker and how good are they, and I will be comparing it with my own smartphone, which is the iPhone 12 mini. Again, this doesn't have a great speaker output, but then a direct comparison, seeing that is it even better, or how many times is this external speaker better than your smartphone. So let's get started. Let's do the complete unboxing of the Mivi's wireless Bluetooth speaker, which also comes with waterproofing technology and some very interesting features. So let's get started. Let's do the unboxing and check out what you get within this package. So here's the box, which clearly says Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker, 5 watt HD sound, 24 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.2, and on the side it's written push the limits. Again, that's all marketing, and there is clear mention that it comes with super solid base with powerful drivers, premium built with metallic grill, again portable and easy to carry, waterproof, 24 hours playtime. That's interesting. 2000 mAh battery, and this comes with 1 year of basically limited warranty, and it says it's made in India. So let me just quickly open up the package and take a look at the package content. So let's cut this security wrapping which you get on the sides of this unit, and here we go. What we get here is this setup, and it says Mivi push the limit. So once you open this up, there is some information on how to claim the warranty, not needed. And here we have a section within which we have probably the reading manual or some information. So again, we have the Bluetooth speakers information and a welcome note. So again, that's also not needed, just a information booklet. So let's put the on this side, and this is the Bluetooth speaker. Now as you can see here, I did expect it to be further heavier, but this is not that heavy. And first impressions, this the front metal chassis does look cool. Mivi is written on this, and a very beautiful metal chassis, no doubt about that. But honestly, this looks like a used or cheap finish is what I can say. Basically, I'm not that impressed with the finish of the complete unit. I mean, definitely within a few days you would see that this gets probably oily, and when you keep using it, touching it, you don't love the feel which you get with this specific unit. And on the side you have the strap, in case if you're traveling you can just hold it this way, or you can keep traveling this way, or you can even connect this with your backpack while you're traveling. And on talking about the ports, it comes with this aux-in port. Basically, let's pull this out, and it comes with a micro USB port, so in case you would like to charge, you can do that. And on the top we have the controller, so this I presume is the on-off key. And apart from that,
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it's in Bluetooth mode, play, pause button probably, and volume button. So basically this is what you get. Apart from that, let's take a look it in the box. You don't get a power adapter. There's a little cable in case you would like to charge it probably with your power bank. And apart from that, you have a very simple cable if you would like to connect it with your smartphone and listen to music directly. But in this case, again, my iPhone doesn't even have that option. So let me just quickly go to settings and pair this up. So here I'm waiting for this to show up. Here are the all different options which we have, and we have the Mivi Roam 2 clearly showcased here, and it's already paired. So let me now go to a music app, which could be Wink Music. Let's play some music. Again, that was being played at full volume, which was actually good. I mean, 5 watt speaker, but then it's pretty good. Let me just hear to some more seconds. I'll keep switching between different songs, so don't expect complete songs. Initial impressions, I feel there is no bass in this, so let's go for something recent. So there clearly isn't much bass available in this speaker. Now if I talk about the sound quality level, I mean sound output level, so this is full volume. Now let's go for 50%. Now let's turn off Bluetooth and play from my smartphone. So I think that, in practical terms, it's definitely the sound output is definitely more than my smartphone's output, which is obviously expected, and they did offer us a good sound output, but there is no bass in this, and the buttons are little flimsy, like you can see here. Let me just show you if it actually is able to reduce the volume on my smartphone. So let us try to press this button. The button feeling is not good. As you can see, I'm literally struggling with one hand to press this. So that probably could have been fixed by the brand. Let us try to play some song again and try to reduce the volume. So here we go. Let us go to Bluetooth on and go to Mivi Roam 2. Head. Okay. And now reduce the volume. No. Okay, yeah, it does work. I mean, basically I'm able to control the music on my smartphone with the speaker. So there was just a test of does it really work or not. So yeah, overall first impressions, it's not that bad, but they're not that great either, that this is an best speaker under 1,000 rupees. I don't think so. There are many other options which you can also consider. I bought this at around 900 rupees, and I would be doing a giveaway of the same on our Telegram channel, not on this channel right now. You can stay subscribed to our Telegram channel, link is in the description. Again, these are my initial thoughts. I don't like the way the product is built, so it doesn't look like a premium product down the line. You can clearly see that with a few seconds, or you can say a few minutes of usage itself, you can see a lot of marks on this, and the buttons are flimsy. That's not something which I like. Apart from that, the front grille does look very cool, and again, these are initial thoughts. Maybe after a few days of usage we can say more about it. This comes with around 20 to 20 hours of playtime, and this is what you get within the package. And these were my thoughts about the Mivi's Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker, which comes with 24 hours of battery playback, or you can say the playback time. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phonera for more videos in English. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.